Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize files in Proton Drive in 2026. So if your drive is messy, hard to navigate, or full of random files, this guide will help you clean it up step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Once you're inside, you'll see all your stored files and folders. Next, start by creating main folders like documents, photos, videos, or work. This helps build a clean structure from the start. Now sort your files based on type. Move documents into documents, images into photos, and so on. Next, rename your files clearly so you can easily identify them later. Avoid random or unclear file names. Now create subfolders inside main folders if needed. For example, separate personal and work documents. Next, delete or move files you no longer need. This keeps your storage clean and organized. Now make it a habit to organize your files regularly so your drive never becomes messy again. And that's it. You've successfully organized files in Proton Drive. Now everything is clean, structured, and easy to find whenever you need it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.